Praise the Lord. John chapter 4 verses 16 to 26. Jesus said to the Samaritan woman, "Go, call your husband and come back." The woman answered him, "I have no husband." Jesus said to her, "You are right in saying, 'I have no husband,' for you have had 5 husbands, and the one you have now is not your husband. What you have said is true." The woman said to him, "Sir, I see that you are a prophet. Our ancestors worshipped on this mountain, but you say that the place where people must worship is in Jerusalem." Jesus said to her, "Woman, believe me, the hour is coming when you will worship the Father neither on this mountain nor in Jerusalem. You worship what you do not know. We worship what we know, for salvation is from the Jews. But the hour is coming and is now here when the true worshippers will worship the Father in spirit and truth. For the Father seeks such as these to worship Him. God is spirit, and those who worship Him must worship in spirit and truth." The woman said to him, "I know that Messiah is coming, who is called Christ. When He comes, He will proclaim all things to us." Jesus said to her, "I am He, the one who is speaking to you." What a great privilege to Samaritan woman to know Jesus. To know Jesus, we need to have a life according to the sacrament. We cannot live an adulterous life. She had 5 men, but they were not husbands. And today, for our salvation, very especially those who are married in the church, you need to be sincere and commit yourself in that marital life. And you will experience that experience of Jesus, which the experience that Samaritan woman had. May God bless your marriages. Be faithful, be sincere to your life partner and to God. May God bless you all. Father Franklin D'Souza, Diocese of Shimoga.